In this tutorial, we will show you how to contact our support and manager. There are 3 types of methods to contact our support. First, you can reach our support from the website page. If you want to chat with our support instantly, you can find them in the live chat button, provided from the right bottom of our website page or Client's Cabinet. Kindly enter your name, your email and your client ID before starting the chat. Our support will be entertaining you shortly. Second, you can email your inquiries from the Contact Us section in the Resources menu. At this point, select your inquiries option, fill up your name, email and describe more about your inquiries before submitting. Our support will respond to your email shortly. Third, you can submit your issue or inquiries from the Client's Cabinet. Log into your account. In the drop-down menu, select Profile, and click on Help Desk. Click on the Add New Ticket button. Select the category, fill up the title and describe your problem. You can attach files or images related to your problem and click Submit. Your ticket will be replied shortly. To contact your manager, you can find your manager's contact details on the top right of your cabinet. Click on Contact Your Account Manager to view details.
CM Index, the People's Broker.